Hello everybody, what we want to do is to try to find the surface area of this prism here. Now the surface area means the amount of paper it would take to wrap it up exactly without any left over. So how much paper would it take to wrap this up? Alrighty, well let's see, let's work out each of the areas of the side. So let's work out the area of the base here. So how much would it take to wrap up this here? Now this shape here is essentially a rectangle. So the area of the base would be length times width, which is 4 times 11, which is 44. Now the area of this back here, which I'll highlight in red, is also a rectangle. Now the area of B, the back, is also a rectangle, so length times width, and length times width, well in this case the length would be 3 and the width would be 11. 3 times 11 would be 33. Now let's see, the area of the front, now the area of the front, now that's a triangle. So the area of the front is this one here. The area of the front, well since it's a triangle, it's half the base times the height. Now the base is 4 and the height is 3. Now half of 4 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Now that's the area of the front there. But we also need to work out the area of the back. Now these two areas will be the same because the area of the front will be the same as the area of the back. So we'll say the area of the back will be 6 as well. Now the only one we haven't worked out yet is this one here, this kind of sloping face here that I'm trying to highlight around the edge now, and that'll be a rectangle as well, and I'll call that sloping face. Now that's a rectangle, and the area of the rectangle is the length times the width, so this will be 5 times 11, which is 55. Now the total surface area will be all these added up, so 44 plus 33 plus 6 plus another 6 plus 55. Now let's see, 44 plus 33 is 77, plus another 6 is 83, plus another 6 is 89, plus another 5 is 94, plus another 5 is 144 centimeters squared. Alrighty, well I hope that helps. When you're trying to find out the surface area of a prism, systematically work out each of the sides and then add them up to find your final answer. Hope that helped, and I'll see you in class.